how to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to subscribe to Amazon Prime, you simply open up your browser and go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime, and hit the go button. I'll make sure to drop a direct link below. Now, if you haven't already logged into one of your Amazon accounts, you can do so by tapping the login option. If you're already logged in, you'll see your name over there. Right when you log in, you'll see start your free 30-day trial on the page, where you can see we're giving you a free 30-day trial option. So you can tap on start your free 30-day trial option over there, and as you do that, you should be able to select the list of and see all the benefits of Amazon Prime. So once you see those benefits, you can choose to pay it using a credit or debit card, then tap the continue option over there in order to go ahead and then pay for it. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually subscribe to Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.